Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So I wanted to share this wood project that I did. There was two main things that I wanted to share. Who it was inspired by, which I will get to in just a moment. But I wanted to share with you guys that I put this all together with BEARLY art glue. Yes, what we use for paper and to put on little embellishments and things. So I thought, why not try out this glue and see if it holds up. So I made this. It's been 2 or 3 weeks now. It's sturdy. I mean, I'm trying to twist it. It is on there. All the little ledge pieces are in there, and sorry about that. So yeah, it came out pretty sturdy. I actually used my refill bottle of BEARLY Arts and a paintbrush, and I brushed it on to the pieces that I was putting together. I think I ended up painting the sides and then gluing them, but the end pieces were not painted when I glued them together. So they both adhered really well. So I used these are 4 of those little crate looking boxes from Dollar Tree, and I used clothespins. And besides the paint, that is all it took for paint and glue. That is all it took to build this. So I was inspired by Christy, who is Faithful Designs by Christy here on YouTube. I will have her channel linked in the description box so you can check out her tutorial. Her tutorial was amazing. It's really great. And oh, but hers was built for a flat surface. It was built with a little mechanism to make it turn like a Lazy Susan. So I kind of tweaked, her idea for it to work for me. Sorry. I don't have a big craft space. It is pretty small. I don't have much surface space, so I have to use my wall space. So I did make this to go on the wall. I left the back blank, and I glued on this little hanger hook, and I also used the BEARLY Arts glue for that too. The wood was too thin to use any nails without it poking through here. So yeah, it was a success. I like how it came out. It fits most of my distress, like Tim Holtz Distress Oxide pads. It holds them pretty good, and I do have bigger ones, and they stick out, a little. Let's see, these standing up, you can see they stick out just a hair. And my other ones, actually, let me grab one. Well, oh, I think it's in the other room. Well, when you put it in, instead of, it sticks out about like this, is what the normal ink pads, that's how they sit in there. So it holds them and it's good, and I'm using my wall space and freeing up space where I would have these stacked and stored. So yeah, I really like how it came out. I've been looking for some wall organization, and this was something I came across. At first I couldn't find much, and then I was thinking, I finally thought to myself, why not tweak something to suit me? And like I said, I did with this, and that's really what I'm gonna have to do, because there's not a whole lot of organization tutorials out there for walls. Like, there are some, like for decorative, but not for, small spaces like this, at least not that I have found. If you have any ideas, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know. So yeah, I will link Faithful Designs by Christy in the description box, and the BEARLY Arts glue. This is not sponsored by them. This is not a collaboration or anything, but I really love their glue. I love it, and I use it now more than any of my other glues. I really haven't picked up my other glues since I got the BEARLY Arts glue, and especially now that, it held wood. We know it's good glue because of everything else it holds, but now I know that it holds wood, like, that's a really good glue. It's a really, really good glue. So I can also link BEARLY Arts website in the description box as well if you're interested. Also wanted to tell you guys, confetti looking paint that is on here. A while ago when Michael's had a clearance going on, I was actually able to get up there, and I'm pretty sure I did a haul video, but I had picked up these paints by Martha Stewart. That is what I used over a couple of coats of white. I think it may have been just 2 coats of the white to cover the wood. So yeah, I did those couple of, oops, it's not standing upright, so the tops are coming off. So yeah, I did a couple of coats of the white, and then I used this really pretty paint to give it some texture and oomph. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to jump over and check out Christy's channel and or her video. And yeah, that is it for this video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.